are going to do a salsa kind of advanced, bit intermediate. What do you think?
A mix of both.
First thing we're going to start off with a double-handed turn. So 1, 2, 3. It's very important, leaders, that you keep your hands together when you're doing this move, not out here. Okay, nice and together. So when we do this, we're going to kind of come in over the head. So if we have a big loop like this, then she's going to be like a gigantic airplane and float around, right? 1, 2, 3, nice and close. And on 5, I'm going to step out slightly. 5. I like to make sure that I get this tight and down before I do my turn. Boom, boom, ba. Okay, so one more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. It's very important to always take care of the lady's turn first, okay? If you want to be a good leader, you got to take care of the lady's turn. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here, we're going to do what's kind of like a no-lead loop. This is very difficult if you're not gentle. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Very important, leaders, that when you're going over the lady's head, that this hand is like a soft, gentle comb. Otherwise, she may do a turn. Your lead has tension here, but this one is nice and soft and loop. So watch my hand. A lot is actually happening really quickly. So it's coming down and spinning up and doing a little bit of a soft comb over her head. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Slowly. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, I'm just doing this, la. So I don't want her to turn, okay? Intention is very important. Coming back, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, gentle, 1, 2, 3. Now here, we're gonna go for a turn with 2 hands. Inside turn, 5, 6, and on 7, I'm going to turn and loop. That when you're going for this turn here, it's nice and close again. This is even closer than the first one, so we're gonna keep it nice and tight. Da, 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 and be nice and clean. If I'm out here and I go for her turn, ga, 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 I don't really have space to do a turn of myself. Okay, so let's come from this side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, gentle, 3, 5, 6, and 7. From here, I'm gonna come down in tension. 1, 2, 3. I know when I first started salsa dancing, when I was ever doing arm work, I was trying to take care of everything at the same time, but you don't want to do that. This, I'm not gonna focus on this hand. I'm just gonna do one hand at a time. This one is taken care of. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1. And from here, I'm gonna kind of give her tension, like I'm going for a double turn. So whenever you're going for a double turn in something quick like this, we gotta make sure that we have intention and she knows that we're being serious here. Otherwise, I'm just doing like this. Ga, ga, ga. Here, I'm like, something's gonna happen. It's fighting time. Dance floor fighting. And we're gonna go for a double turn here. And 5, 6, 7. From here, I'm gonna go down. 1, 2, 3, over the head. Ga, ga, ga. Shoo! And it's nice to be dramatic.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Our beautiful Luna is going to teach you how to do a little bit of Cuban styling with your online partner work.
So can we go back from the last position?
Yes,
yeah?
yes.
Then I just
6,
going
7.
backward, with my hand going onward, reaching something. And then after that, David will throw me.
I'm going to bring her back like
Yeah.
this. And
then
let her go.
And then
Let
I
her
will
style.
do the Bomba style of Cuban.
Bambolai?
Bambola.
Jambalaya?
The very important thing of Cubans in this Bomba, you keep the hand straight. You don't do like this. That is stereotype, but you actually don't do like this, but you keep straight. What moves is your hip. So when I move my hip. One leg that stays stable, and the other one support the move. And that is called Bomba.
Let's go. Let's try.
Okay.
Let's try.
Yeah, so you start.
Hip back.
The hips don't lie, yeah, that's for
lie
sure.
sometimes.
The moment the lady being thrown away, you put your hand up right away and you keep it in the curved angle and you keep your frame there. And what moves?
We're getting arrested.
Oops, not that fast.
Hands in the air.
Okay, hands in the air. And we put the hands up and you move the hips 360. So like this. Well, let's do it slow.
Yes, yes, yes. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you're around so fast. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just let her do it. You guys watch her.
Okay, one more time.
Yes, one more time.
5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I got it, I think.
Yeah, you got it. Good.
Yeah. Now, leaders, you might be thinking, uh-oh, is she gonna smack me in the head? No problem. Get out of her way. This time, sometimes you just gotta let the girl be beautiful. You sit back and enjoy the show. That's it.